Today I'm sharing a little bit more work in the kitchen. These are the original listing pictures from when we bought the house of what the kitchen looked like, and I'm going to share how I did the counters today. I used peel and stick contact paper that is made for counters. It's by a company called DC Fix, and I got it on Amazon. I will link it below. And I'm just going to go through how I installed this. When it comes time to doing the edges, a hair dryer on the high setting with the hottest heat works great. It kind of heats up the contact paper and makes it a little more pliable, and makes it stick a little better too. So I went all around the edges with the hair dryer and my, what do you call it, scraper thing to push down the edges. I am using black caulking to go around the stove top and our sink because they're both black. For the rest of the kitchen I used white. And this just helps to seal down the edges of the contact paper so that it doesn't get moisture under it and doesn't start to peel up. This is a new trick I learned to put tape down along the edge where you're caulking, and it gives you a nice crisp line. You just smooth your caulking on with your finger like you normally would, but then when you pull it back you have a nice crisp line. gonna work on the backsplash. I'm just clearing off the counter so that I have access. I'm gonna clean it up, and then I have peel and stick backsplash tiles to use. And finally, let's finish off this wall. Oh, and I almost forgot, I did fix up this little cabinet to use for some extra storage. I painted the poles gold to match everything else in the kitchen and filled it up with our spices. I also wallpapered the back of it.